Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate popsicles. Start by gathering milk, cocoa, sugar, vanilla, and a blender or whisk, plus molds and sticks. Heat a small amount of milk to dissolve sugar and cocoa, then cool slightly. Combine with remaining cold milk and vanilla, taste for sweetness, and pour into molds. Freeze until solid, run molds under warm water to release popsicles, then enjoy immediately. Gather all ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth. Measure milk and cocoa for consistent texture, and pre-toast any nuts or mix-ins if using them. Choose sturdy molds that release easily and fit your freezer space. Use a blender for extra creamy results or a whisk for a rustic texture. Keep popsicle sticks handy and label molds with flavors if making multiple varieties. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks in the kitchen, resisting spills, and saving counter space. Its adjustable light makes late-night recipe testing easy. I find it handy when I follow new dessert ideas or jot down tweaks for next time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a quarter cup of milk with sugar and cocoa until sugar dissolves, then cool briefly to avoid scalding. Whisk the cooled mixture into the remaining cold milk and stir in vanilla for balance. Pour the mixture into molds, leaving a small headspace for expansion. Freeze about 45 minutes, then insert sticks so they stand upright, and freeze until fully solid. Release with warm water and enjoy immediately or store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.